discussing about how to use the multiple catch statement. Earlier, we already know that there are some sentences in which we can use the multiple catch statement. Let's discuss about it. A try block can be followed by one or more catch blocks. Each catch blocks must contain a different exceptional handler. So, if you have to perform different tasks at the occurrence of different exception, use Java multi-catch block. So whenever a condition occurs that we don't know what is the appropriate exception handler for that exception, in that case we can use the multiple catch exception. Sometimes we don't know that if a number is divisible by 0, or we can say that it is a null pointer exception or an arithmetic exception. In that point of time, we don't know what is the exact exception handler, so we can use both the exception handler. But the thing is that we should use the child exception handler first and then followed by the parent exception handler. Here are some points to remember. At a time only one exception occurs and at a time only one catch block is executed. All catch blocks must be ordered from most specific to most general. That is from child to parent. That is catch for arithmetic exception must come before catch for exception, because exception is the parent class and arithmetic exception is its child class. Here is a syntax of multiple catch block exception. First of all, we use try and then code may throw an exception, and then we use the catch and different types of exception class here. Let's see the code how we can use the multiple catch block in Java. Multiple catch block 1. So first of all, we take a class, public class multiple catch block 1, and inside the main method we just write int a is equals to new int 5. We take an array of 5 length, and then we use inside the a5 we put the value is equals to 30 by 0, and here we don't know what is the actual exception, because it may be arithmetic exception, maybe array index out of bound exception, or if we don't know any other exception, then we just simply use exception e, that is the parent exception. So here we don't know what is the actual exception, so we just use the multiple catch statement. First of all, in catch block we use arithmetic exception, in second catch block we use array index out of bound exception, and in third catch block I used exception e. So we just save it and let's execute it. So here after execution we know that it is an arithmetic exception occurs, and then rest of the code will be executed. Let's see another example. Here we use a class that is multiple catch block 3, and inside the main method we just write int a is equals to new int 5, and then we write int 5 is equals to 30 by 0, and here we print the value of system.out.println a of 10. So a of 10 is not here, so it gives us an exception. So just save it and let's execute it. We are already in our file location, so just write Javac multiple catch block 3.java. Hence it compiles successfully. Let's execute it. See, it also gives us the arithmetic exception occurs. So with the help of multiple catch block, we can use the multiple times of catch block if we don't know the exact exception types. So in this way, this multiple catch block exception can be implemented. Thank you.